Welcome back to our channel, Retired and Loving It. We're gonna share with you another one of our favorite keto recipes. You don't wanna miss this. It's unbelievable.
It is.
I'm Terry.
And I'm Keith. This is Mr. Jangos. We're so excited that you're joining us again today.
We're gonna show you how to make keto stuffed meatloaf. And guys, I'm not a big fan of meatloaf, but this meatloaf is unbelievable.
It is.
It is so good, you'll want to try. Today we're making keto stuffed meatloaf. I'm going to go over all the ingredients. You will need 3 pounds of ground meat. This is ground beef. You can use whatever kind of meat that you want to use, ground meat. And you'll need a big baking dish. I have already sprayed this with olive oil so that it won't stick. Here's the olive oil. The ingredients that we'll need are 3 eggs, a large onion chopped, it's about a cup. You'll need a cup of pork panko, and the way that you make that is you buy pork rinds. You can buy pork panko, but for me it's cheaper to just buy the pork rinds. Make sure that it says pork rinds and salt and doesn't have anything else in there, and take these and put them in the food processor until you have about a cup of the ground up pork rinds, because in regular meatloaf you can use crackers, you can use oatmeal, you can use breadcrumbs, but we don't eat that on keto, so you use pork rinds instead. You'll need a cup of salsa, a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and then you'll need some salt and pepper for seasoning, and then inside layer, the stuffed part of the meatloaf, you will need a brick of cream cheese, 8 ounce. You'll need some shredded mozzarella cheese, and you'll also need some Parmesan cheese. We had a little camera mishap, and while I was putting this all together, the camera stopped. So let me just say that you put all of your ingredients together. And I got in here with my hands and just mixed it all up. And you have your meat mixture. You take half of it and you put it in your baking dish. And you just take your hands and sort of form a loaf. Okay. Got half of our loaf in there. Then we take our 8 ounce cream cheese and we want it softened, and we just put it on the top of your meatloaf. If it's real soft, you can spread it around. This isn't too soft. So we'll just put it on in bits. Then you sprinkle some of your shredded mozzarella cheese on top of that. Spread it around. And then you take some more Parmesan cheese and sprinkle over the top. And then you take the rest of your meat mixture and you put it on top of that. It makes a very thick meatloaf. Then once you have the other meat on top and all formed, you shake some more Parmesan over the top of that. And then you take your bacon and you're going to wrap it in bacon. Like everything tastes better with bacon, right? And you make it like a lattice. Just kind of weave your bacon in there. Okay, and then you just kind of tuck your bacon up under your meatloaf. And there you have it. See how nice that looks? Set your oven to preheat at 400. You cook it for an hour and 20 minutes. Then when that's finished, if the bacon isn't really crisp, you can put it in the broiler. Broil it for just a few minutes. You have to keep watch on it because it gets really hot. It will crisp up the bacon that's on the top. We'll show you the finished product when it's done. Just took it out of the oven, guys. It looks so good. I cut it down the middle and I just let it rest for a few minutes. And then I'm gonna cut some slices and we're gonna serve with a side salad. It's really good. Look at that crisp bacon. You put it under the broiler for a few minutes and it crisps up the bacon really nice. Ready to eat. The keto stuffed meatloaf, guys. You gotta try it. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of meatloaf, but this is unbelievable. You have to try it.
Thank you guys so much for joining us today. If you would, go ahead and please press that subscribe button right over there. Give us a big thumbs up and share these videos with your friends. Mr. Jingles and I really enjoyed the keto stuffed meatloaf. I'm a big meat eater and this is awesome. I'm sure you enjoy it.
We'll see you next time on Retired and Loving It.